This is a Polaris 300, two-stroke. It's a 1995. It came to us with no start, so we did a compression check on it. It had 40 psi of compression, which is really low. So we took off the head, and this is what we discovered. Don't know if you can see the scratches or the scores in the cylinder wall here. So that means it's blown up basically. So we're gonna do a rebuild on it. That will be in a future video. But right now we're gonna take the jug off to see what the piston looks like. Obviously we're gonna order a new piston and rings with it. But that will be in a future video to come.
Like peas.
Oh, look at that.
It goes over it.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm already freaking spaz.
I'm doing fast. I'm not very fast.
You got sputtered.
Did it go? Hey, Lenny.
See that? Right?
Traditionally swinging your head. It takes like that.
I put him out.
Jump back down first.
Yes, please. Oh, you're gonna care.
Alright. Well, that's.
I'm gonna hit you. Here, hold this flash.
Yeah, that piston scored it.
Yeah.
Here, ready?
Oh, wow.
Well, good news is his rod's fine.
Well, that's
No,
good.
side to side. Oh my god!
That's a good thing.
Look at that. Look.
That's a good thing when your rod's fine.
Look at that.
If you guys want to see a blown motor and shit piston, look at this.
There's a nice chunk out of that bad boy. Yeah, that's the same kind.
He's pretty tasty.
Yeah, if you want another one, you can have him.
He's never getting that baby started.
Ooh, that looks nice.
Is that all scored to shit?
Yeah, bad. It's rusty. Because the that sounds horrible. That sounds horrible. Pretty sweet piston. Get it out of the part. I didn't send it or anything. I don't really care how this comes out.
No, it's shit anyway. That piston's trash.
Ah!
You stab yourself?
Yeah.
Let me see that hook. I'll see if I can get it. See if I
Is there one on that side?
Stab myself. Yeah. I need.
Lift it up more.
I can't. It's hitting the. Oh, I mean like that.
Oh! It's a fucking quad. Don't.
Alright, this is the motor off the 300 Polaris. We finally got it out. I played hell getting the clutch off. I would have showed that, but so we got the motor out. Anyways, getting ready to take flywheel off. So we got flywheel puller, or what I call it, flywheel puller. Stock on here. Pull it off. You got your magnets under there and your stator right here. So we're gonna continue to show you the tearing down, but you gotta get some stuff around it. But this is what the piston and stuff look like here. So she was basically blowing right off. It's gonna need a new crank and stuff in it. So we'll show you the whole rebuild and show you what it looks like when it's running. So it looks like those aren't going to come out, so we have an impact screwdriver. They work really good. I've had good luck with it. See, that just busted that loose. You couldn't get it loose with the regular screwdriver. Let me try this one, see if it'll come loose. Nope. So I don't want to strip it out, so this is the best way. Drop tabs and they'll usually come loose. Right there, it came loose. Should be 3 of them, yep. I'm not even gonna try to do it for that. There, now they're all loose. Now we can just do it with the regular screwdriver. That's a handy tool to have. It saves so many screws from being stripped. Look at it after. Oh, it's 3? Yeah. We're going to take the stator out, get that out of the way, so we're not ruining it. I don't know. It should pop out the top. We're going to try to get our bolts out and start trying to split the case on it. As you can tell, this is part of the clutch shaft. Couldn't get it off there. It seized down there, so I just broke the back part of it off. Took the front part off and then broke the back off. Gonna have to get a new clutch for it. That's all there's to it. We got to replace the crank anyway, so it doesn't matter. Where's that? Sometimes you just got to sacrifice something. Somebody had changed the clutch on it. So they tried a clutch puller, but it wasn't the clutch puller that they called for. I've tried several different clutch pullers on it. And none of them fit, so. This is what you get when you buy stuff from Marketplace. I mean, people like to rip people on there, and it's bullshit. I'm not the one that got ripped off, but you gotta watch what you buy. Not everybody's bad to deal with, but there is shady people out there. this with taking it up, I'm probably just going to take a grinder and I'm going to cut this crank right out of there. All I want is the case. Everything else is getting replaced. So we'll show you that here in a minute. I'm going to try to cut down this, but that shit is hard right there. So I'm probably just going to try to finish making the slice down it. I can try to split this, but I got to get the rest of the way down through there. So we're thinking this is why it blew up. This is oil injected 2-stroke. So this is your gear that spins it for the oil to be injected. So I'm going to take this out. Oh, come on. So the gear's stripped. So therefore it quit spinning, it's quit producing oil, mixing with the gas. So therefore on a 2-stroke, if you don't have oil mixing with your gas, that's why I do not trust oil injected 2-strokes, because you're not guaranteed that thing's going to pump all the time. And when you mix your own gas, as long as you mix it right, you know, the right percentage, 50 to 1 if you're going to run 51, if you're going to run 40 to 1, wherever they recommend, if you do it right, you're guaranteed. I mean, it'll last forever. Yeah, it might be a little more expensive, but no matter what, you have to buy 2-stroke oil to put in your container. So either way, you're paying the same amount. I mean, you can mix 2 gallons of gas and just double your dose on whatever you're mixing it. So, you know, it's a nice, convenient thing to just dump gas in it and let it do. But if it's going to do that to your, you know, once a part fails, if it's going to do that, then you're just ruining your motor. I mean, so now that part went bad, and it's probably, I don't know how much the part is, but I'd say probably a $20 part caused, I don't know, $400 or $500 in damage, you know, and then he got ripped, and the people that he bought it from knew it right from the get-go. So, I mean, it goes to show you got to watch what you buy. Check it out a little better. Well, thanks for watching. We'll show you more here in a bit. Here's another problem with it. The bearing's set up. You can just hear the shittiness to it. No grease, nothing. I mean, this motor is trashed. I mean, is it fixable? Yeah, but I guess I got to see what the person that owns it wants to do with it before we go any further. So hopefully we can rebuild it for you in a video, but if not, maybe we'll just show another motor going in it. I guess thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.